BlueSky Social Tutorial, how to use BlueSky Social. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BlueSky Social, the decentralized alternative to Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for BlueSky Social. Once you find it, tap Install to download the app. After installation, open the app and tap Create Account. Enter your email, password, and date of birth. Then tap Next. Now choose a BlueSky handle. This will be your unique username. The app will then require human verification. Simply complete the verification tasks as prompted. Once verified, your account will be created. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom and personalize your profile by adding a profile picture and bio. You can also customize your display name to make your account more recognizable. On the Home tab, you'll see posts from the people you follow. To engage with posts, tap the heart icon to like, repost to share, or comment to join the conversation. To create a new post, tap the pen icon, type your message, add images, and tap Post. If you want to find and follow other users, use the search bar to look up their usernames and tap Follow to add them to your feed. One of BlueSky's unique features is its custom feeds. Tap the three-line menu icon to switch between different feeds based on your interests. And that's it! You're now ready to explore and interact on BlueSky Social. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.